Hi everyone, this is Catherine with Keep It Simple Social Media, and I want to show you how to use Bitly. We use Bitly to track our results and see how many link clicks we get from our Facebook ads and our post, or any post for that matter on social media. So to start, you go to bitly.com, you create an account, you can sign it with Facebook or with a login and password. It is a free service, it is amazing. So you sign in and you will see this is our Keep It Simple social media account. So it's really simple. You go into create and then it's going to ask me paste a long URL you would like to shorten. So in this case, I'm going to go on Facebook. There's a tutorial we have on how to cross-pollinate with other businesses that's really popular. So I'll create share and then I'm going to copy this link. You could also go on your website. If you want to copy a link to your website, you would copy the URL that's on top here and you pop it into Bitly. Now, Bitly is going to ask us to create a URL. So see how it's a customer's URL with all these letters and numbers? So I'm going to write YouTube tutorial. It's got to be all the letters all together. So YouTube tutorial, say cross-pollinate Facebook. And I'm going to save this. Now, in this case, it's not really shorter, but it allows me to know what this link is really about. And what it's going to say is that whenever someone uses this, it's going to track it. So now I go into copy, and whenever I'm going to use this link somewhere or whenever someone clicks on it, you'll see how Bitly is going to track it. That's easy as that. You can look at your reports right up here. See, we have one click. That's it. Remember, keep it simple.